everyone, today we're going to be installing the software for our C-More Micro HMI. So the first thing we'll do is head over to the Automation Direct website where under C-More Micro Panels you will find a link to download the software, and this is what it looks like. And in here it tells us a little bit more about the software itself. The current version is version 4.30. So there's my actual download link itself. While you're here, it's a good idea just to do the software update email notification service. So when you sign up for this, you enter your email, and it will actually they'll actually send you an email every time that software gets updated. Now, the software itself, very little resources that's required on your computer. And the operating systems, we have Windows 7 and 8 and 8.1, both 32 and 64-bit, or Windows 10 operating system. So once we click on this link, we will download the actual software, which we can see right here. And it comes in a zip file. So if we were to open this folder, okay, you will see that we have the CD image file, and then open it again, and then here's the actual program itself. Remember, this is still zip, so it should give us an error message saying that we have to extract these files. So we'll just double click on it, and sure enough, that's exactly what it did. So we're going to hit extract all, and it's going to tell us where. We'll say extract. Okay, now that my information is extracted, I can go to the same thing, and we can double click on this C-More Micro version 3.30.0.2. So let's double click it. And currently right now what I'm running this on is a Windows 7 64-bit computer. So here we go. Let's turn this up here, and just welcome. There's our splash screen or welcome screen. We'll hit next. Okay, it's asking me about disabling my antivirus. We'll say OK. Then what we get is our licensing agreement. Now this software is completely free, so we have to accept the licensing agreement here. So hit next. And what we'll do is just stick in our name here. Again, hit next. So this is our credentials. And the next screen will actually show us where it's going to be installed. And we're going to just leave the default. And hit next. Okay, so now it says that we're all ready, and we'll just begin our installation. And this may take a little bit. There we go. Now it's asking us if we'd like to install the driver. We should install this. This is the COM ports drivers that we need. And I'm just going to put Always Trust from Koyo Electronics, and we'll say install. And the last question here is, it says create a desktop icon. Yes. So we'll hit next. And it's doing that for me. And then our final screen comes up and says that we've set up our software correctly. So we'll hit finish. So now let's close this down. And I'll close this down, and we'll move our icon over to our screen here. And you'll notice this is different software. This is the C-More Micro versus C-More programming software. So the difference basically being is the part numbers that you look at, EA3 versus EA9 for a C-More. So let's double click this and see if we can start this up. And sure enough, there's our opening screen. And I'm just going to hit cancel for that, and we'll look at the actual software itself, which looks like this. So that's it for installing C-More Micro PLC. Now all the links and documentation can be found on our website at accautomation.ca. And if you like this video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. You can give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information just as you have. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of the video. You can also go to accautomation.ca and subscribe to our website. When you do, notification will be given to you every time we publish new content to the site. You'll also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.